Hello, I'm Jason Disseline's assistant. Our channel you need to first thing you need to know about the Social Marketing Advantages course. Be careful with the website you are going to buy, because the Social Marketing Advantages course is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. Know the secret of how to be very successful in social media today, ideas to use on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, ideas to leverage on social media, and everything to make your advertisements rock. You can show up more and increase your admirers. So what is Social Marketing Advantages course, and does it really work? And the answer is yes, Social Marketing Benefits course for sure. Learn how to have more ideas shared, gain many likes and many followers. Social Media Marketing Advantage is an 8-part course that covers the essential, up-to-date and indispensable methods of social media marketing with everything you will have all knowledge of. Write content that encourages shares, grow your social media accounts, create work schedule, learn to use tools, live videos and stores track your data. Improve your posts. Accelerate your growth by winning committed and passionate fans. Create a brand that resonates by generating likes, followers and subscriptions. Understand how the psychology of sharing, liking, following works. And much more. Separated for 8 sections. 1. Develop your social marketing plan. 2. Use the media to conquer the market. 3. Social targeting, perfect customers. 4. Engaging content attracts customers. 5. Become an expert at delivering value. 6. Follower quality trumps quantity. 7. Implement a functional marketing schedule. 8. Track, test and improve. Fast action bonus. Mental map. 60-day warranty. SSL secured. Secure payments. Virus scan guaranteed. Technical support.